Our takadimi exercise is number 1, and I've put each one of these takadimi exercises into its own track in soundtrap. So if it looks like this when you open it up, it might be a good idea to zoom in so that you can see. Now we have 2 measures. Each one of these is 2 measures, and each measure has 4 beats because we're in 4/4. And as you know from watching the other videos on takadimi, we can divide the beat into 8th and 16th notes. Today we're just going to be talking about quarter notes and 8th notes. So I'm going to use the solo button, and let's listen to track 1. And I'm going to loop this so that we can hear it over and over again, and adjust our loop so that it's just 2-bar length. And you can practice this along with the recording if you like. So our rhythm syllables for this would be ta, 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 dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta, 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 dee, ta. You can also change the tempo. If that's a little bit fast and you're having a hard time with the syllables, you could bump it down to about 80 beats per minute or whatever you like. Ta, dee, ta, 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 dee, ta. So you can keep on practicing your rhythmic syllables by soloing each one of the tracks and lining it up. So that's ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta. Again, ta, 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 dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta. Dee, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta, ta, dee, ta, ta. Next one. Let me check that one. I think there might have been an extra one there. Ta dee ta dee ta dee ta dee ta ta dee ta. Oh nope, that's right. Okay, I'll go on to number 7. Number 8. And last one. You could also take a look at how each one of these looks in the Patterns beat maker or in the piano roll. So the Patterns beat maker is something that's unique to soundtrap, and it's a really intuitive way to make beats quickly and easily. But you might also want to check out how it looks in the piano roll. And you can see each beat in this example is being subdivided into 4 parts, which would be the 16th note subdivision. We'll talk about that in our next lesson. This is a more common way to look at MIDI in other DAWs. So if you ever start to work in things like GarageBand or Logic or Ableton, this will look a little bit more familiar. This is a little bit more of a simple, intuitive interface that we'll be using in this class, but be aware of the piano roll, and you might want to check that out as well. Okay, so we'll be going on and composing drum beats using the Patterns beat maker and some notating examples in the next lesson. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Hope this was helpful.